What a historic day this has turned out to be. The 21st day of 2021 of the 21st century. This is surely going to go down in history books for equity market watchers, with the Sensex hitting the 50,000 mark. The pre-open rates itself and the fact that we closes just inches away from that level in trade yesterday gave us hope, and we were all geared up for the 50,000 mark on the Sensex. And sure enough, on opening bell itself, we clocked that level and stayed put at that level for the better part of today's trading session. Yes, we did cool off and we gave up that 50,000 mark towards the end, but that was only the last half an hour when you did see some selling pressure coming in, and the markets did give up all of their early morning gains. But nonetheless, this has really been a decisive day. Started off with all sectors participating. You had big winners from within autos as well as banks. You had the Bajaj financial twins, both Bajaj Finance as well as Bajaj Finserv, react very positively to their mixed bag of earnings and very positive outlook coming in from the management on the sidelines of their analyst call yesterday. You had Tata Motors, which has continued to be a stupendous performer, hopes extremely high and people very bullish along their EV business, and that kept Tata Motors high today as well. A 30% move coming in all of last week and another 8% thereabout dash coming in the stock today as well. Havells too had a great set of earnings, and the stock held out by almost about 11% at the highs of the day. What turned tide and what put pressure then on the markets, you'd ask? Firstly, just a brief look at what the closing picture was like. Profit booking did set in on D Street, and the Sensex, while it managed to clock in the 50,000 mark, didn't quite close at that level. The Nifty as well declined a good 100 points from the day's highs, and we've snapped the two-day gaining streak. The Nifty Bank, in fact, that was a key culprit as well, managed to decline over 500 points from the day's highs and again snapped the two-day gaining streak. Nifty PSU Bank as well as the real estate index declined over 3% each from the day's highs, and Nifty Media, Metal as well as PSE and Pharma declined about 2% from the day's highs as well. The first signs of the weakness really came in for the broader markets. That's where you saw the first signs of profit taking setting in, and that's been your big underperformer on a relative basis, with almost 109 stocks going home to the declining side. L&T Finance, BHEL, Chola Finance, Bandhan Bank, after it reported its numbers, and a very high provisioning on a sequential basis as well reported by them, or for that matter even IGL. But the key culprits within the large cap universe were largely the commodity plays. They were the ones which saw some profit taking. So ONGC lost in excess of 3%. Tata Steel was a heavy laggard, about 3% down to coming in there. GAIL, Coal India, NTPC, these were some of the stocks which are under pressure. On the flip side, like I said, it was Tata Motors, Bajaj Finance and Reliance which continues its upbeat move ahead of its numbers, which are going to be declared tomorrow post-market hours. You also had Apollo Tyres, which had a really smooth run. Voltas also held out very nicely. But nonetheless, today was a historic day, and today was really about the Sensex making it, and that swiftly in the last 5,000 point journey to the 50k mark. Maybe tomorrow we make a dash at that 50k mark again and hopefully close above that level.